Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we've got an unboxing of a Coach Bleecker Bucket Bag in Shearling. So let's take a look. Set away. So I don't usually go for Shearling, like, holiday or seasonal bags. But when I saw this at the Coach store in Orlando, I was like, I think I need to get it. The leather on this is amazing. So let's see if it's as good as I remember it. Okay, it does feel really nice. It's got that crinkly, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. It has this crinkly texture, but it softens up because at the store it was really slouchy and I kind of loved it. So let's see, I'm gonna have to undo all of this. As you know, they package this all the way like crazy. So let's take a break for a second. Okay, so I'm back and I got all the packaging off. Someone commented once, she's like, why don't you want your bags to be packaged well, And I said, well, it's because sometimes Coach does go a little bit over the top with the packaging and it can take like 15, 20 minutes to undo it all. And plus, it all just goes in the trash and it seems very wasteful. So the inside is lined with this really soft shearling. I kind of love this. It's like so cold right now and I feel like I need a cozy bag to match. So the bottom, it actually comes with this little pouch, which is really cute. The leather on this one is very smooth. It just feels like smooth cow skin maybe. I'm not really sure what leather this is. I'll have to look that up. So let's see, the zipper opens up. Inside, let me take this out. So it looks like inside is lined with fabric. Reminds me of the 1941 lining. Very nice. And it also has this little leash on it too, so you can clip it somewhere here. Nice, I like that. That's always very cute. So the closure is this little buckle leash as well, so you can kind of use that. So that's kind of nice. I like that detail. So the bottom of this is also lined in sheepskin. So like the whole thing, it's kind of nice. So this strap here is very wide. I would say it's probably close to maybe 1.5 inches. So it'll be a great cross-body bag. The one thing is it's not removable, so you're gonna have to use this strap to use the bag, which could be a con for some. If you don't like the strap, you can't switch it out for something else. So it is very smushy. So it's very soft after I took out all that stuffing. And the bottom is like this, and the no feet there. It's very crinkly. See that crinkly leather? I kind of love it. That's what really drew me to this bag in the first place. So the back of the bag has this little pouch here because of the pocket. So I understand that. So yeah, I'm going to have a full review of this bag coming up next week. So like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you next time.